time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes.
Hey everybody, I'm going to teach you how to play Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. This song is super easy. You can play the whole thing with one strumming pattern and 3 chords, and they're actually pretty simple chords, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so there's 2 different ways you can go about playing this. I'm going to teach you the simpler way, and then I'll show you the other way with a capo on the 2nd fret, but that's actually just as simple. It just sounds more like the song than this version. But the simple version is just A minor, which is your middle finger on this top string 2nd fret, a C, which is this bottom string 3rd fret, and then an F, which is just like the A minor right here, except you put your pointer finger on the 3rd string 1st fret. And that's just it, the whole song. A, C, F. Now let's get to the strumming pattern. Okay, so for the strumming pattern, I just do a simple down, down, up, down, up for each of the chords. It's 1 time on A minor, 1 time on C, and then 2 times on F. So that'll sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now let me show you the other way that you can play it that sounds a little bit closer to the song than this version does. Okay, so the chords are, there's still an A, a C, and an F, but they're just different versions of them. So some of them are gonna be sharp, some of them are gonna be like E7s, A7, like they're gonna be like that. But I'll put the chart right here, exactly what the chord is, but this is what they look like when your capo is on the 2nd fret. So it'll be just like the A minor. You put your finger right here on the 2nd one, away from this now. So the 2nd fret up there is that A. Instead of playing the C on the 3rd fret on the 4th string, we're gonna play it on the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Makes it a little bit higher pitch. And then instead of playing this F, we're gonna keep this bottom finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, and then we're gonna put our middle finger, or our ring finger, whatever you prefer, on the bottom string 3rd fret. And it's just a little bit higher pitched than before, but it sounds like this now. So it's a little bit more closer to the sound that Ed Sheeran has in his song. But you could play it either way, and both are super simple, so you choose.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun comes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights sitting alone. Conversation with a stranger I barely know. Certain this will be the last time, probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or choose, or do my bad habits lead to white eyes staring in space? And I know I'll lose control of the things that I say. I was looking for a way, I know I can't escape. Nothing happens after 2, it's true. And true, my bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you.
I hope that helps, and I hope you guys learn how to play Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. Super easy, 3-chord song, it's awesome. Go learn it.
A creature with 2 heads, sleeping in 2 beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?